Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just gonna quickly tidy up my house. We were actually gone most of the weekend and pretty much all of Sunday, and that's when I like to do a lot of my cleaning. So I was a little bit behind on the start of the week, and I hate starting my week off on the wrong foot. So this video is actually filmed the morning of when you guys are watching this video. So this is like the same day clean with me video. As you guys can see, there are just things all over the house, things that don't belong in certain rooms. And so I'm just gonna go and quickly straighten everything up and kind of wipe everything down. And if you guys are new to my channel and this is the first video that you are watching, welcome. My name is Whitney. I am a mom to a 2-year-old little boy and a 6-month-old baby girl. I do a lot of motherhood and lifestyle videos, but I like to do a lot of cleaning videos on my channel. I feel like that is my niche. That is what I love to do. So that is pretty much what my channel is all about. I would love to have you guys join our family, so be sure to hit that subscribe button. Moving into the video, I'm going to start in the living room. This is the heart of the home. This is where we spend all of our time, the majority of our time, and this is unfortunately the collect all for the house. This is where everything ends up. We always have stuff all over the couch, all over the floors, all over the little desk area that we have, and so I'm just going to quickly go through and pick everything up.
Think of me. Remember to slow down.
And here you're just going to see me stocking diapers. This is where we keep my daughter and my son's diapers. Here is the little desk area that I was talking about. I would like to make this an office space, but my son does get into everything, so that is just not an option right now. Moving into the kitchen, this is also another collect all of our home, pretty much the kitchen and the living room, because those are the two rooms that we spend the most time in. My husband and I have been working on a lot of at-home projects. We are painting the walls. I'm in the process of making a bow holder for Savannah, and so we just kind of have things all over the house.
When you're out
Next, I'm going to quickly empty the dishwasher and then get a head start on all of these dishes that are piling up in the sink.
think of me. Remember to slow down. Think of me. Yeah, I believe we're onto something real.
also gonna clean the sink in this video. My favorite way to clean the sink is with a little bit of dish soap and a sponge. I feel like it goes a long way and it always keeps my sink nice and shiny. And then in this particular video, I am going to be using anti-bac cleaner for the countertops. I don't typically use this on an everyday basis, but I just feel like my counters needed a really good disinfect and scrub down. And here is that bow holder I was telling you guys about. I did not film this, but I can show you guys in a vlog how I made it if that is something that interests you. Again, I'm just going to go through and use that anti-bac by Method to clean all the countertops off.
So take my hand and just let go. And feel the world beneath us start to slow. Yeah, I believe we're on to something real. Something real. And I really wanna know.
Moving into the playroom, this room seriously always gets trashed. My son trashes this room at least 3 times a day. I don't typically clean it every single day, although I would love to. It just doesn't happen for me. I try to clean this room at least 3 times a week if I have the time. Usually Sunday or Monday is one of the days that I will clean this room. I let my son play with a sand sensory activity this morning, and so there was sand all over the playroom, so you're just gonna see me sweeping that up. And then I'm just gonna hit certain surfaces with a Lysol wipe just to make sure everything is nice and clean. And here is everything that I've accumulated from the first floor that needs to go upstairs. Does anybody else do this and put everything on their staircase? I don't know of another way to make this better, but here it is. And now I'm just gonna quickly vacuum the entire first floor. And you guys always comment on my son running around and dancing around the vacuum cleaner. He loves the vacuum. He's always been this way. Every time I turn it on, he starts screaming and giggling and running around and dancing. He just loves the vacuum. also going to be sharing my weekly and monthly cleaning routines with you guys, so be sure to turn on that little notifications bell so you guys don't miss those videos. Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for this quick tidy up with me. I hope that you guys enjoyed it and it gave you some motivation to get your house tidied up on this Monday night, or maybe Tuesday morning, just so that the beginning of the week you can kind of start off on the right foot. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting my channel. It means the world to me and my family, and we are so incredibly grateful for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next one.